Hot shot, I heard you in there. 22's minivan, Chicago's right back.
A22. I heard what you said there, A22, but hot sauce, the man with the sauce, hot sauce around Delaware working this small station.
Oh, hot sauce around Delaware. Okay, hot sauce, I got you that time. 22's minivan, Chicago, that's right.
A22, man, you got A22, you get that now.
Hey, Steel Driver, don't do that. That's not very nice, man. Hey, Steel Driver, what are you doing taking his juice-o? 22's minivan, Chicago. Here's your brake bike.
Hey, knucklehead, when you do it like that, I gotta say hello. Oh, knucklehead, on Steel Drive in the Buckeye Arena, Mayor.
No, 22's pressure cooker minivan. 22's pressure cooker minivan. I got condition. Hey, Steel Driver, 22 Illinois, brake.
Try
turning that way just a little bit. Yeah, try that. Hey, Knuckles, Steel Driver, look at 22's minivan. I said, look at 22 in my pressure cooker minivan, Chicago. 22, back quiet. Steel Driver, 22's minivan, Chicago. It's my turn. It's 22's turn in the minivan. 22 pressure cooker. 22's pressure cooker minivan, Chicago. Got down. Hey, the conditions. Somebody's hammering clear. Steel Tube, look at 22's minivan. Hey, Steel Tube, look at 22 in my minivan. It's my pressure cooker minivan. I'm putting some pressure on him with this minivan. Hey, Steel Tube, ain't no but 22 in my pressure cooker minivan, Chicago. Brake, right.
Hey, knucklehead. Pressure. Oh, pressure in your minivan. Steel Drive in the Buckeye looking bake.
Right back, Steel Driver. You're smoking, man. You got me in the corner in Chicago. I just wanted to bump down his minivan one more time if I had condition. 22's minivan, Chicago. Got down.
Tell you what, 22, you smoking too, man. Ain't no doubt about it. You got that all down 22 Steel Drive in the Buckeye Squad.
Bye, Steel Driver. 40 dBs and a 30 dB meter, man. You don't need all that. That compactor's smoking. Steel Driver, 22 in my minivan, Chicago. I'm gone.
Bye, 22, keep on doing what you're doing. 22. Cause you're trying to leave downtown, Rivertown, Buckeye, yeah, no doubt about it. Hey, 22, Steel Drive, 22, in the Buckeye, break up.
I heard someone else keying down, but Steel Driver had my radio. 22 Illinois, gone. You gotta talk to him. Iron Mike, maybe? Good Lord, he said Iron Mike or something like that. You guys give me 30 dBs on this config and Cobra, man. What in the world's happening around Buck 10, 22's pressure cooker, Illinois, trying to get it back. Break.
Buck 10
right back, Iron Mike. Well, I want to get in there one more time and say have a real good weekend before I lose my condition. Iron Mike, you're smoking, man. I ain't joking. 22's minivan, sometimes known as a pressure cooker minivan, Chicago. I'm gone now. Hey, Iron Mike, I love my minivan. I love my minivan. 22-10-7.
So what, you closing to Detroit. So see us 720 some of that ice.